In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password protection to your pages in Webflow. If you're looking to secure certain areas of your website, whether it's for exclusive content or just an added layer of privacy, understanding how to implement password protection is an essential skill. Let's dive into the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open up your Pages panel in Webflow. This is your control center for all the pages contained within your website. To do this, go ahead and click on the Pages icon, typically located on the left-hand side of the designer interface. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and want to speed up your workflow, you can simply press the letter P on your keyboard. This will instantly pull up the Pages panel for you, giving you a clear view of all your site's pages. Once you have the Pages panel open, you'll need to choose the specific page that you want to secure with a password. Simply scroll through your list of pages, and when you've found the one you're targeting, you'll notice a gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This action will open up the page settings, where most of the page-specific adjustments can be made. Within the page settings, look for a section called Access Control. This is where you'll be able to set the parameters for who can view your page. Here you have the option to select anyone with the password. Choosing this option is crucial, as it enables the password protection feature for the selected page. Now that you've toggled this setting, it's time to enter the password that visitors will need to access this page. You'll see a field where you can type in your chosen password. Be sure to create a password that strikes a good balance between being memorable for authorized users and secure against unwanted visitors. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. It's important to note that adding password protection is a feature available only with a paid site plan on Webflow. This means you'll need to ensure your site plan is active and upgraded to take advantage of this security feature. While this may come as an additional expense, investing in a site plan unlocks a suite of powerful tools and protections that are invaluable for both website management and user security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently add password protection to any page in your Webflow project, safeguarding your content and ensuring that only those with the password can access specific areas of your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to enhance the privacy and security of your digital space.